I just love that our generation of Haitian people are coming together like the last generation didn't.
Yes.
No shade to the last generation, but I
Hey.
feel like we would have been so further if we stick together like other cultures do. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
It's my
Okay.
personal opinion. You know, I mean,
I'm gonna give you a little example.
we should have been owning the bodegas and the
That's
restaurants
right.
from decades ago.
Yeah,
We should have
because
been
you have-
having all these establishments.
Yeah.
It's because we need this. Like
Yeah.
we need to come together, support each other. You know, even when you were asking, you know, looking for a sponsor for the food, and I gave you someone, and you was like, "Nah, I need Haitian food." You was like, "No, it gotta be Haitian owned business." And
Yeah.
you know, it's not to be separated, but we have to like continue this and
Correct.
lift each other up,
Yeah.
and you know, for the next generation to come in forward. Because
Yeah.
like you said, we'll get into that more, the
will.
generational trauma and all
Yeah.
the other stuff. But
Yeah. Yeah,
this is a
because-
nice start. This is
Yeah.
a light.
Absolutely.
We're gonna get into it.
J-
Yeah, that's what we need.
Yeah.
More of that.
So
That
thank
is
you.
what we need.